Outsiders, please, you must help. The Agorians have launched a full-scale assault on the settlement. Our kind has barricaded themselves in their homes.
We have no time for petty squabbles. Remember the mission. The Obsidian Eye is all that matters.
The Eye? It's in a temple. I can take you there. Please, we are not an aggressive race. Help us defeat the Agorians and I'll show you where it is.
We're gonna need some heavier firepower. Wait here. I'll cover you from the sky.
Talons are inbound, Commander. Enter attack formation and destroy the rebels.
Outsider, I'm activating our defensive station. It's fully charged and ready for combat.
We must regroup. Fall back to the Huron Abyss. Good work, Ratchet. We did it. I'm setting it down.
Woohoo! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Woohoo! You did it, Outsiders! You stopped the invasion! It's time for me to live up to my side of the bargain. Come on back and I'll show you where the temple is. We closed these caves off years ago. Too many dangers, too many deaths. Perhaps that Omni-Soaker will ward off the Tetramites. You alright in there? Looks like the door rusted right off its track. I'll try to get it fixed, but it might be a while. Try breathing real shallow-like.
You did it, Ratchet! Well done! Come on! The Obsidian Eye is right this way!
Fulcrum's star's cracked. We may not be able to get a signal.
Stand by for system uplink.
Ratchet? How did you find me?
You kidding me? You think I'd leave my best pal out here alone?
Who is that behind you? Is that a Lombax?
Yeah, this is General Azimuth. Just send me your coordinates and we'll pick you up.
Signal integrity 33%.
Need your help. Orvis is in trouble. You must go to Xanathar and confront Dr. Nefarious.
Xanathar? Dr. Nefarious hasn't set foot on that rock since his station was completed 2 years ago.
Please, goods. Save my father.
Father? Clank, what's going on?
Now, can you synthesize a time portal on Xanathar?
I suppose I could use the oscilloscopic entanglement modulator to create a vacuum of negative energy, theoretically creating a traversable wormhole.
Time rift stabilized.
Ta-da!
Good work in there. I'll meet you on planet Xanathar.